Today guys, I show you how to fix OBS recording lag, stop stuttering and frame drops. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. All you need to do guys, just open OBS like me. After that, move here on settings and move here to output. Make sure you choose like me here simple. Here in streaming, video bitrate you can leave 2000 kilobytes. Move to video encoder, click on it. If you have this software, switch this and choose to hardware. Encoder preset, click on it and choose like me P4 medium quality. Move here to recording. Do the same, video encoder, click on it and choose like me hardware. Go here apply, move here to video and you will see here in general base canvas resolution. If you have 1080 you can switch it to 7020 and do the same on output. If you have good PC you can leave it on 60, if not switch it to 30 FPS. Hit apply and OK. After that, you can now start your video. As you can see, everything looks here so fine. CPU usage 2%, 1% now. You can also view stats. Move here view and stats. And you will see dropped frames are 0. And also CPU usage are low. And that's it all guys for this video. How to fix OBS, recording lag, stop stuttering and frame drops. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video.